guys, this is Priyanka. Today is Sunday 9th August and I'm back with more cool, interesting and wonderful information for you guys. So basically I'm a big shopping junkie, and as you guys already know, I keep exploring new stores, new options, new experiences. So today I thought I should probably make a cool video about shopping online. Yes, online shopping. Since one thing is very common in Norway is that the weather is very unpredictable. It rains, it's windy, it's overcast, and sometimes you don't feel like stepping out. So what do we do if we don't want to go out and head to the mall? We order online. And how do we know what all website should we be ordering? So I have personally tried and tested these 5 websites that you can order and check out, and I have given them a big thumbs up and a green signal. I had a wonderful customer shopping experience. The delivery was smooth. I got all these orders in 3 to 4 days. So, and the products were fine. I didn't face any issues as such. So I thought I should put it up on YouTube so that you guys also get you guys get leads about what are the places, what are the stores, what are the online websites that you guys can check out, which are safe and credible sources. So that should be a good helpful video for you guys. So yeah. So the thing is, if you want to shop in Norway and you want to place some international order, the thing is you're going to have a bit of tough luck, because in Norway there's a very heavy import duty. Yes guys, if you order anything from rest of the world apart from Europe, apart from I guess Sweden or a few exceptions, if you order something from other part of the world, you will have to pay a heavy duty of 36.5% of the total sum. Yes. Why I'm saying this? Because I did try it once. I once ordered from Dubai, and whatever product that I did order, I had to pay 35.6% of the total sum. I got a letter within a week in my post box from the government saying that I have to pay a 36.5% tax. But thankfully I knew it beforehand. So whatever I ordered on a heavy discount, so that even if I get a tax, it gets covered up in that total amount and it doesn't pinch me. I don't go beyond the normal MRP. So that is one thing that I did. But going ahead, as I started exploring, I started looking up and knowing the city better. I looked up and I tried these 5 websites that I can definitely vouch for, and you guys can also give it a shot, and you can shop online if you're a shopping junkie like me. So yeah, the first website that I will recommend to you guys is kicks.no. Yes, kicks.no. Basically, kicks.no is a beauty and a skincare website, and it does run weekend deals. It has ongoing weekend deals. So here's the tip coming. If you are a beauty junkie, or if you're looking for good skincare, credible skincare, go search kicks.no website, install the application, do become a member, because they give special bonuses. Get special bonus points, the special member benefits that you reap. So definitely become a member. Notifications tab, switch it on so that you get emails about all the ongoing offers. You don't miss any offers. And especially the trend being in what I've seen in Norway is that usually on all the weekends they have good deals running up. So if you want to make the best purchase, do it over the weekends. That's what I would suggest to you. So first website being kicks.no, and let me show you guys what did I personally buy from kicks.no, because I did buy. I received the order within 3-4 days. It was smooth delivery. I went to the post box office. I went to Rema 1000 to collect it. I took my ID card. I didn't face any issue as such. I got the box. I opened it up. All the products were fine. I wanted to show you guys what all stuff that I bought from Kicks. So it's like an unboxing session as well. So I was like, okay, let's do this. Let's make a video about it. So here I am. Let me show you my Kicks unboxing. Kicks, basically, let me show you how this Kicks box looks like. So here it is. Here is my Kicks box. I was waiting to open it, but then I was like, let me make a video of this so that I can show you guys what all you can buy from Kicks. So here is the wrapping. Let's unwrap it. Let's see what's inside. We have samples. This DKNY body perfume. A little sample of it. Yep. Pocket sample. The second sample that we have got is of Lancome. Yup. It's a Lancome foundation. So these are two cool freebies that I've got. Apart from that, what did I order? Let's see. I ordered this. I love face masks, so I ordered a Glamgo Youth Mud face mask. So if you like face masks that you like to wash off after 15, 20 or half an hour, I'll recommend Glamglow, because I've used Glamglow for quite some time. I really like the quality, and it's definitely an investment. It's a brand you can blindly buy. It's a bit on the expensive side, but then if you do get it on a good deal, do buy it. Otherwise also, either ways, I'll recommend this one brand. It's wonderful for, you know, washing off face masks. It's wonderful in that category. This one is Youth Mud Mask. So if you're above 30, so I'll recommend you this mask. And what's the next thing that we got? I got the Ordinary AHA 30 AHA 30 BHA 2% peeling solution. So behind this product, I have a story to tell, that I was looking for this product for almost 3 to 4 months because it was out of stock in entire Oslo. I don't know what happened. Ever since coronavirus breakdown was there, it just went out of stock immediately, and the moment I saw it on the website, I just bought it in one go. It's an inexpensive option. It's friendly, it's pocket friendly, and the solution that it has inside is basically a red colored red colored liquid, which looks like blood. Let me show you how it looks. It looks like blood, but it's a very popular product, and I thought that I should be sharing and talking about this because it's one of their best sellers. And here it is. If you guys can see how the bottle looks, can you guys see? Can you see how red tinted this peeling solution is? It's wonderful for, if you have a patchy skin, you have marks, you want glow, you have pores. It's a really wonderful peeling solution. So I got this. I was so elated that it was back in stock, and I got it in one go. So the next thing that I'm going to talk about is this product. What is this? This is Clarins Double Serum. So I got this. I'm a very serum kind of a person. I really don't like putting face creams much because serums are hassle free. They're easy to use. So I got this particular serum because again, it's one of their best sellers. It's a highly rated product. So I got this one. It's expensive, but then I'm a kind of a person who is of philosophy that anything and everything that my body consumes, anything and everything that my body consumes, be it food, be it, makeup, be it skincare, anything and everything that my body consumes has to be of superior quality. I can compromise on clothes, I can compromise on accessories, I cannot compromise on things that my body consumes. They are directly, my body comes in touch with and absorbs. So yeah, I'm very particular about food, skincare and makeup. So yeah, for me these are like areas of investment. So I got this one. Next thing I got is this is NARS foundation. I was looking for this foundation for a very long time, but I was not sure about my skin tone and shade because the thing is, ever since I have moved to Norway, my skin shade has gotten lighter, obviously because the winter, it's pretty colder weather. So I'm usually MAC 30, but ever since I have moved to Oslo, my skin shade has changed to NC 25. My skin shade has switched to NC 25. And if you're also around NC 25, NC 30 and in Estee Lauder Tawny, so this is one shade you guys can try. In Estee Lauder I am Tawny, and in MAC I am NC 25, NC 30. So in NARS I got the shade, let me show you, it's not reading. It's basically shade called Stromboli. Yeah, the shade says it's Stromboli. If you guys can see, the camera is not really capturing it properly, but it's my shade is medium 3 and it says Stromboli in NARS foundation. It's a wonderful foundation. I have heard rave reviews. It was highly rated on the website, and even though I have been like, I'm pretty happy with Estee Lauder, and I've been using It Cosmetics CC cream. That's amazing. I thought that I should try this also, so I tried NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. And if you're also NC25, NC30 or Estee Lauder tawny shade, you can try medium 3 Stromboli in NARS. Next thing that I got was a kohl pencil from Clinique. Yep, a black kohl pencil from Clinique. I got this. It's pretty nice. So I got this one. The next thing that I got is a Clarins mascara, Wonder Perfect Mascara 4D. It's black. It's black. The shade is black. So this is also wonderful, a wonderful alternative. And the next thing that I got is basically a colored tinted lip oil. Yep, from NARS. The shade is Reef. If you guys can see, it's not capturing it, but so let me tell you, it's basically NARS oil infused lip tint, and the shade is Reef. So if you're around medium skin tone, NC25, NC30, and you're looking for a good lip oil which has a little bit of tint, corally, peachy, and a little bit of rose gold tinge, so Reef is the shade in NARS. And what else did I get? I got a MAC eyeliner. Yep, this is a MAC eyeliner. It's a cult product. Again, it's in the shade Brush Black. I got this MAC. What's the last product from Kicks? So this is an in-house product from Kicks, and it's a face and a body roller. So if you want to massage your face or your body and you want to drain all the lymphatic system of your face and all the puffiness that you keep getting, so you can invest in this. I got this because I wanted to try, because in winters the face gets really dry, puffy. It's not really, the body circulation, the blood circulation is not really right. So I thought that I should really stock it up. It was on discount, so I was like, yeah, I can get this thing. I really need it. So I got this one. So yeah, this is the first website I was talking about, kicks.no. Apart from kicks.no, there's another really cool website that I discovered. It's a Norwegian local website. Kicks.no is also a local Norwegian website. Apart from this, there's another local website which deals in beauty and skincare, just like Kicks, is blivaker.no. BLIVAKKER.no. I'll list it in the description box below. Do check it. Check this website out. It's also pretty good. I have bought and shopped from this place. Approved. And third website that I'm going to talk about is regarding clothes. You know, clothes, accessories, shoes. Where do we shop all these things from? Well, there's one really popular application that you have to and you must install in Norway if you want to shop, is Zalando. Yes, Zalando is one application that if you're living in Norway, you gotta have on your cell phone, because you can really get good deals on Zalando. Again, they have weekend deals, ongoing deals. Keep your notifications on, you will get notified. So Zalando is, again, wonderful website. That was my third website. Fourth website that I'm going to talk about is basically regarding fitness. Actually, fourth and fifth websites which I'm going to mention is regarding fitness, regarding gym wear, regarding health food, protein shakes, that I'm going to talk about. So the fourth website regarding fitness, gym wear, and anything related to health and fitness is tights.no. Yes, I got my protein shake from this place and I have found it to be really good. So tights.no is one website that if you're into fitness and health, healthy meals, go look up tights.no. You will get all the gym wear, you will get all the protein shakes, all the healthy fitness supplements and food supplements that you're looking for. You'll get it on tights.no. The fifth website again is regarding gym wear and athleisure wear that I discovered. It's a Sweden brand, but you will not have to pay any taxes for this. It's exempted. You won't have to pay any import duty because I've ordered. I didn't pay. It's one of the exceptions. So this website is really popular in Norway. I go to the gym, Sats gym, and I've seen people wearing this brand a lot. So I got curious because it was so eye-catchy. The designs that I saw they were so vibrant, funky. They had such a quirky vibe to it. There were like pop art designs, and I got really intrigued. I looked it up and I ordered it, and I was like, wow, the material and the fit and everything about this website is wonderful. Yes, it is on the expensive side, but it is worth the deal. It's an investment, as I say. If you're into health and fitness and money is not a problem for you, or if you really want to buy these gym wear and leisure wear, then be on a lookout for all the discounts that this website keeps running from time to time. They have end of season sales going on. Right when I bought it like a month back. There was a sale up to 20-25% going on. I bought it. I just bought it right away, and thankfully my sizes were available. Usually when the sales happen, season is on, the sizes run out in blink of an eye. So thankfully I got a good deal. But then if you do like funky out of the box designs, do check out this website called stronger.no. It's for females exclusively. So if you are a female who loves really cool gym wear, athleisure wear, I will definitely recommend you to check out stronger.no. I have bought things and gym wear from it, and I love this website. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you have any comments, suggestions, if you've used any of these websites, share about your experience, anything and everything, you'll be most welcome. I am open to all suggestions. If you have any feedbacks, please feel free and let me know how do you like these videos, because I am trying to help and I am discovering Oslo and Norway as you guys are, and whatever little information I gain and whatever I get excited about, I do make it a point that I share it with you guys so that you guys can also share it, go and explore, because many of us have so many options, we really don't know where to go. So we need a little bit of direction and a sense of lead there. So I thought I should put out these 5 websites you guys can shop for different things. And yeah, do go check, explore, and let me know how did you find this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. And until then, my next video, bye bye.